let's get started building the project. So what is the thing? The thing is I have chosen Mongo Database as my backend for my Angular project. So I'm going to need that. So for that I'm going to install it using Podman. So let's do it. This is my Linux machine, kernel 4.18. It is CentOS for sure. If you have any other system, you can do it like Ubuntu or OpenSUSE. Over here we can install it with DNF. On OpenSUSE you can install it using zipper. So you have Podman, and so now I'm going to create another user especially for running my Mongo database. So let's do this. User at Mongo user. Okay, let's give a password to this. Mongo user. Yeah. So let's switch to that user now. Yeah. So now I'm as a rootless user now. So I have Podman over here also, should be there. So I need Mongo image. Okay, so with Podman I can pull that image. Now you must be wondering, I have typed here MongoDB, so it will come, okay, but it will not. Why? Because MongoDB is not the correct name of the image in the Docker Hub, so it's giving me an unauthorized error. So let's correct this. One main tool, Mongo. So this is the correct name. So now it should download the image. Okay, and after getting the image, we need to run the instance of that. So we'll create an instance of it, but first we will test it. So I think it is there. So let's check it. This is the image. It's there. So let's try to test it first. So we'll try to test it. We'll run it. We'll remove it immediately, and I will interactively run it, and we will not do any port mapping. Just type Mongo. So it is running. It is running. Definitely it is running. So we will now create a good container out of it, but before we do it, we need to map, whatever the data is stored in a container is not permanent, just the way I have tested it. So we need a permanent storage. For that we will create a directory over here. So main directory data. So whatever data is stored, it will be over here. Even if my container is dead or it is removed by mistake also, my data will be still present over here. So now let's create a container instance. So I will run it. I will give it name my Mongo, and we will run it detach mode, and we will do the port mapping also, 27017 and 27017. So it's the default port. Okay, the host port is mapped with the local port. Okay, and I will do volume mapping also. So I'm in this current directory. Host is mapped with the container directory, and I will put it like this, :z, so that its privileges are mapped with the local container user. Okay, so that it is more secure. In SUSE Linux we have to mandatorily do this, otherwise it will not run. Okay, so I have done run name detach mode port. I have done the mapping, volume mapping, and I can type the name Mongo image, and that's it. So let's see, I have here my Mongo. Let's see the logs of it. Yeah, so it is running, it is definitely running. And let's check it now with another instance. So I can run another Mongo instance and check and connect it to my Mongo database. So let's run it. This is temporary instance of Mongo database. Remove it interactively Mongo. Oh, sorry. And I will need network also. So I will connect with the host network directly and type Mongo over here. And in the Mongo, I'll make a mistake over here. Let's see what it is. Okay, so this is not working. I'm going to run Mongo with Mongo command. Okay, so now I've connected with the my Mongo database. So let's see this how it is. How do we check it? db dot test, I suppose. Yeah, so it is there. Good. So exit it, and my image is still running. Okay, so if I do ls over here, you can see my data files have been created. That's very nice. So as you can see here, the files created are actually with the privileges of the user inside the container, so it is secure. So I think this is what I needed. So I'm going to connect the database from my Angular project, from my local host, to this client, to this cloud database, and I will show it in the next video. Okay, I'm new to YouTube, so please bear with me, I'm learning still.